Welcome back to Planes, Trains, and Boats Online. We are currently in BC on the Trans-Canada Highway, which is Highway 1. And we're on our way to, well, it turns out I'm going to be on my way to Vancouver tomorrow, but I do have another stop to do. This is a bit of a valley right now, and it's not the BC pictures and videos that I've taken so far today, but I wanted to show you that it does look pretty cool having a flat surface in BC, which doesn't happen too often. So I have to turn here. That's it's 97B. Normally I would just go straight and keep on going down this road, and you'll go right into Vancouver, British Columbia. But we have to go this way because we are now 55 miles from my next delivery, and I got a load of cookies on. This will be episode 2, so this is new. I hope that you guys very much enjoy it, and I really do hope that you like it and subscribe. Hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, and you'll see more of this. If this is what you like and you've made it this far, then you might like it. If you like traveling, you like seeing cool places and cool things, you're gonna like this. And if you like trains, and if you like planes, and you like boats, and all that stuff, you're gonna like this too. It's a pretty cool channel. And if I wasn't already subscribed to this channel, then I would have. I would be hitting that subscribe button and that like button big time. Doing this 24 years now, and we are now I'm going to share this with you. In the 24 years of driving truck, I have never been on this road before. And you would think, being out here doing this for 24 years, there's not too many roads out there you haven't been on. But there is a lot of roads out here, and this is one of them. I haven't been on this one before. I'm heading south now. I was going west. Now I'm going south in BC to deliver a load of mine, and I've never been here before. So this may be new to you, but it's definitely new to me too. Ready for bed. where it's really flat. It's not as exciting here, which it's still beautiful. Well, let's see what it does. Let's see what else it's going to give us for views and scenery. I'm only 52 miles from my destination. Video and you like to subscribe to it.